Hi guys, it's Kylie, and I'm back. I missed you, Vogue. I just wanted to come update you on my new routine and also share all my secrets with you. I'm gonna start with my lip scrub, of course. We're gonna scrub like we've never scrubbed before. I like to do a lip scrub before I start my routine, before I know I'm gonna wear a bold lip or a matte lip. I'm gonna do a classic Kylie glam today. I've changed my look a lot. I think that I'm into the more natural skin. I wear a lot less, but I've accomplished the same snatched look. Okay, so me and you, we're gonna clip my hair up. I'm gonna do like 2 pumps of my moisturizer. And then this is one of my foundation samples, my first secret of this whole video. Don't tell anyone. I'm obsessed. This is my go-to. So I'm gonna do a little squeeze of that, mix it up. I do feel like now that I'm using my hands more, it is, I don't know, it's like an intimate experience. My foundation just looks different. I feel way more natural. I like how it blends into my skin a lot better. Nude Sticks bronzer. I think it's a foundation, but it's very thin. I like to take it on the brush. I don't do my makeup every day. I feel like the majority of the time I'm not wearing makeup because I always have an event or a photo shoot. So I like to let my face breathe, but I do love a tinted sunscreen. I feel like the way that I contour now is definitely less harsh. Like this is probably all the bronzer that I'll use, especially on a daily, but I'm just taking this angled brush. These are my glow bombs. These are actually, I got a new one because mine look a little crazy because I use them every day. This one's like peachy. This one is very like a really pretty neutral blush. I like to mix them. This is my favorite part. This is like the best day ever. They're hydrating too, so it really just looks so pretty. Blends good. You can even put it over powder. You can also put it on your lips too. I'm actually gonna do that now. I love this Givenchy powder. I remember actually watching my last Vogue video. The amount of powder that I used is just unreal. So I'm gonna do a little bit of powder on here. Stormy still doesn't really play with makeup. I love these Charlotte Tilbury powders. I think that when we're looking for inspo for events and makeup looks, we get inspiration from everywhere, like old fashion shows. I'm always on Pinterest. And just getting inspiration and then how we can make it our own and modern in like a very experimental era with makeup, and I'm so willing to try new things and new looks. Another secret, I have these amazing, I'm obsessed with these cream shadows. Start here. You could put this directly on your eye. I'm going for a lighter look, so I'm gonna put it on a palette. A little goes a long way, and they don't dry too fast, so I like that you can play with them for a little. I like to focus on the outer corner of the eye, but also like I love a dragged out shadow look. This is just a really pretty neutral matte palette for every day. Maybe a little here, just mix everything. When I have products that I really believe in, I want everyone's opinion. I love doing my own makeup because it's just very therapeutic for me. I love to zone out. Been on like a self-care, love myself year. I've been back into my workout routine after having a baby and, you know, really into my skincare routine. My next up is liner. I'm really loving a tiny baby wing just to bring out my eye. I have round eyes, so I like to give them more of an almond shape. I take concealer. I like to take off the end a little bit more and make it really sharp and clean. I guess it's a good little tip if you mess up. I just don't even care. I put concealer right over my powder. I'm gonna put my lip on. This is another sample of something really crazy, really crazy. I always overline my lips a little bit. I don't really have steps anymore. I kind of just do whatever I feel. So we're gonna go brows. I'm using this Anastasia pencil. It has this cute new gold packaging. Brows used to be the focus of our look. We used to always do these thick brows, and I'm sure in my last video, I think I started with brows too. Now brows aren't our main focus. I like natural bushy brows. I don't really fill them in as much. I just had to do this campaign shoot and they wanted bleach brows, so L'Oreal I think just left the bleach on for too long and my eyebrows fell off, so now I'm just trying to get them back, but it's okay because thin brows are in. I love supporting my friends and their brands. I'm always using different products and I like to still buy tons of makeup online, and I'm just will always be makeup obsessed and I like seeing what's out there. Okay. Brows are done. They look really bushy and gorgeous. We're gonna do, I just got this Kosas brow gel. Can you do a good brow gel? I just like when it lasts really long, it's not too flaky. I never thought I'd be the girl to really gel my brows up like this, and now I am, and I understand you guys. I found this in my drawer. I am obsessed. It is an all over face highlighter. The finale. This is my Kylie Volume Mascara. I'm very excited to finally share this with you guys. I dreamed of my first mascara for so long, and this just took forever and changed my mind 100 times. And everyone has a very specific mascara preference. So I wanted something that would appeal to everyone. So this is the wand. I used to wear lash extensions for years and then stopped doing that, and I just wanted to really embrace my natural lash because I do have really good lashes. My mom has the best lashes. I like to focus my mascara towards the corner of my eye. I don't really go heavy in here because I like to give my eye more of an almond shape. And then I kind of do this little wiggle, you know, really get the product on there. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this peachy shade. I normally would be listening to music if you guys weren't here. Probably the new SZA album right now. I know every word to every song. Shout out to you. This is the full updated Kylie look. I'm sure I'll see you guys again in a few years when my look changes again. I'll see you guys soon.